Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, SECAR. Licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil, Inglés 3. Tarea 2, Unidad 1, Making a Presentation About My Best Friend. Eliana Peña Eras. My best friend's name is Sebastian, and we have a white cat in Sebas. We were neighbors since then. We were kids, we are like brothers. My family loved him very much, and his family makes my feel loved whenever I am with them. I know Seven, swear that I can predict his action. He is very funny person. He likes numbers. He is very agile and strict. He hates leave and unpunctuality. He is not good at craft. He is almost clumsy with that, but is very good at finding solutions to everything. He lives to drive a big car or motorcycle, and he does is well. What I love most about him is when he spoils me bit working something for me, and he does it very well. Sebastian is grand person and sincere. I will not hint he has been the son. No dimension that a led to good at an hour or the ways. He has been the son, very responsible and fast.